Good morning again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the crude oil inventory report session for Thursday, October 13th, 2022. Backpacktrader training. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It's not to be considered individual financial advice. All right. Now, Crude's just made a nice little bounce up in the last 30 minutes. So we shall see what happens. Of course, Spotlight, 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar, depending on your platform. On the right, upper left is unleaded. Please do note, I forgot to mention this in the earlier session this morning, that unleaded volume has transitioned over to December. I was showing the December contract this morning, and I have this upper left-hand chart on the December contract as well. So that's the December 20-tick range bar, 0.002 momentum bar for TradeStation. And of course, the lower left is counterpunch, 377 tick on the full crude contract. That is still on November. I would expect that to transition over to December, the crude contract transitioning tomorrow, possibly tomorrow, most likely Monday or Tuesday. Report is due out at 11 o'clock. We will wait our 2 minutes and start looking for trades at 11:02. And there's the report. There's a reaction range low on the low side. And that's really about it on the top side. That actually came right before the. So either my clock is a little slow or came out a couple of minutes early. This is kind of what I was a little bit worried about. Is I was kind of with that significant move in the last half hour. Sometimes we get a little bit, end up being just kind of back and forth. And going through money management, so that trade's off the table. Unleaded is flat, as is the 377 tick counterpunch. So everything's flat right now, or Spotlight is actually still in the long trade. So looking for new trades on all three charts at this point. All right. And short on unleaded. And that is valid for trading. $47.84. I would push that down a couple of ticks, get it below the 50, but it just pushed through. Plenty of time to get in and just hit money management. Short trade on Spotlight. Small trade, target 2 is our money management level, and it just went through that. "13-second bar, so I wasn't watching it and just missed it. And that's going to be a one and done session then for. And unleaded getting its target 2, so that'll be one and done. Still waiting for a trade on the 377 tick. All right. And unleaded stopping out. 47.63 from the entry at, I would make that 47.82. So 19 ticks on the trailer, 30 or 47 on target for unleaded, and 10 ticks on target for crude, and 1 tick on the trail. I don't think we got. Well, did we get to target 3? Target 3 was 34. Yep, we actually hit target 3 on the nose. So 10 and 15 ticks, 25 ticks for a one and done session there. And there is your trade on the 377 tick. Long entry at 56. That's right on the 20. I'd go to 58 on that one also. Get up above the 20. And we've gotten to 57, so still not in it with the adjustment. If you didn't get in the short on Spotlight, you have a long from 56. All right. There's target 1 and 2 on Spotlight. So whether you got the short or the long and it's one and done, there's target 1 and target 2 on 377. So one and done all the way around, all 3 charts today. Is it positive for the day, or because it was up at like 29,650 this morning before the reports came out. It dropped a full 1,000 points, Miles. So is it above 29,650, or is it just back up above the session open, which was down below? It literally dropped 1,000 points after the report. So if it's come back at full 1,000, that's quite a move. Positive from yesterday's close. Okay, yeah, that wasn't quite as high. It had actually pushed up overnight. Futures were actually up overnight from yesterday's session open. But yeah, that's amazing. Big moves. That would definitely been a good morning to trade. Especially any kind of scalping. Yeah, taking the runners, because there were several. I noticed several really nice runners both directions. And crude and unleaded both heading for the stars. And not a very big crowd this morning. Everybody's going to the CEO Mastermind training session at 11. All right. Basically just waiting for those 2 trades to finish out, and that will make for the morning. Any questions? Watch out for, remember to look for your volume on crude tomorrow and Monday to see when it tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, to see when it transitions to the December contract. Unleaded has already done that. We've got 15,000, 15.6 on November, and 21.6, 15.7, 21.6 on December is why I'm on the December contract on unleaded. All right. Spotlight stopped out. That's done. And looks like target 2 is 87.98. And that looks like where, 99 is where the stop is on the 377 tick. So 42 ticks on target, and at 43 ticks at the moment. On the trailer. And crude has swung through like $2.50 range And that's been pretty much during our session today. So it started off at session right around session highs when the news came out at 8:30, and really went down and set new session lows at 85.56, and now is setting new session highs again up above 88, 88.33 now. It had been like 88.05. All right. 88.14 for counterpunch. And got as low as 88.15. Still surviving in the long. All right, still at 88.14 for the stop. Is it going to push down through? It's gotten as low as 88.18. It looks like we're going to get another bar. And there we are, getting it down to 17. And bouncing off the signal line, maybe. And back up some more. Still at 88.14. Although it looks like we'll move up to 88.19 on the close of the next bar, if assuming it closes above 88.23. All right, we're down to just three of us. And yep, 88.19 now. So 42 and 63. This is a 100 tick trade, $1,000 trade on two positions. And it looks like it's still going to go up some more. And stop's going to come up another 5 ticks. $88.24. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and call it a morning. Anybody that's trading counterpunch can follow that along. we will see everybody on Tuesday. Wow, what was that? All kinds of bars. On the micro crude at 11:17:08. Wow. 88.43, 88.49. Oh, 88.48. 88.58. So 102 now just on the trailer. You too, Miles. And 64. $108 on the trailer. Big win on Counterpunch this morning. All right. See everybody next week.